Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today we have Suraj with us who has actually switched the job from non-IT background to IT background, and now he has got a job in software testing field, right? So today Suraj is going to share his success story with us. So welcome Suraj to the channel. How are you?
Seriously.
So Suraj, how are you?
I'm doing good, sir. What about you?
I'm absolutely fine. Thank you. So first of all, thank you so much for coming on our channel and sharing your success story with us, right? So can you brief us about yourself? Can you introduce about yourself and which company you have got selected?
Sure, sir. My name is Suraj Kumar Behra. I belong to Balogaon, Odisha, and I had 3 years experience in non-IT as a desktop support and technical engineer. And in the meantime, I have started learning manual testing and trying to change my career into the testing field. That's why I started to learn manual testing. Then I got selected in Netbook Limited in Ahmedabad. Yeah.
Wow, wonderful.
So that's all
So
about me.
yeah, so many
Yeah.
congratulations for that. So can you tell us about the interview
Thank you, sir.
process over there? Yeah. Can you please tell us about the interview process over there?
Uh, there are 2 rounds actually. The first round is about theoretical knowledge and technical questions, scenario-based questions, and the second round is about test case writing and handling and preparing bug reports of the company. Mm, these 2 rounds are there.
Okay. So you have also shared questions with us in advance. So let me just share my screen and show the interview questions that you had got, right? So what is runtime error?
Yeah.
And you had got questions related to the scenario
Yes,
based
sir.
question was also there. What to do if we find a bug in production? Suppose there are A, B, and C modules. A is dependent on B, B is dependent on C, and you add a D module to it. What will be your testing approach? You have to finish testing a module
Yeah.
in 5 days in a sprint. Okay. So developer took 4 days. How will
Yeah.
you test in the last day? So this was a scenario based question that was asked to you. When developer is developing module, what will
Yes,
you
sir.
do in between those days? Okay. What is SDLC, STLC? So these are
Yeah.
theoretical questions that you had got. Explain bug life cycle. What is
Yes.
regression testing? What is usability testing? What does a test case contain? Right. Then file extension of Android and iOS files. So is this a project related to mobile testing? Is it like that? You had got this kind of question. Okay. So what is bug leakage? Explain integration testing. Then what is 400, 200, 500 codes? And what does those codes mean in API testing? What is API? When should we start testing phase? What is agile? What is Jira? What is non-functional testing and its types? Okay, so non-functional testing and functional testing and its types. So these are the common questions. Then what do you mean by testing? What is a bug? What is functional testing? Right? Okay. So many questions were asked to you. Great. Right. So yeah, can you please unmute yourself? Yeah. Okay. Now, can you tell us something about your preparation strategy? Like how did you switch from non-IT to IT background?
Yes, sir. So, hello.
Yes, yes, Suraj. Yeah. How did you switch from non-IT to IT background? How did you
Hello.
prepare for software testing?
Yes.
Yes, Suraj.
Yes. So, while working in non-IT, whenever I got time, I refer your channel and 2 3 channels, and I got to read things from LinkedIn and by shared by different testers. And I was preparing by those study materials and YouTube videos and all that. Yeah.
Wonderful. So how did you apply into this company? How did you come to know that there is a vacancy into this company?
What I was doing is I was searching for HRs in LinkedIn, and I am sending emails constantly to the openings which are relevant to me. And I got a call from the HR about the position and about the interview process and all that. And I got to apply from the company to the company.
Okay, great. So from LinkedIn, actually, you approached various recruiters, various HR over there, and
Yes,
this
sir.
is how you started a conversation with them, right? Okay,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
yeah. So why did you choose software testing as your career? Why did you went for a switch from non-IT to IT background?
Yeah, so I was from mechanical background actually, and after that, because of some personal issues, I have to work in non-IT in my native place. And after that, in the Corona time, I was not getting paid, and another thing is I was not able to getting paid in the Corona time, and the IT people are getting paid, and that affected me badly. So I have decided to change into IT field so that I can at least support my family in the bad times. So that is the motivation for switching to IT from the non-IT.
Okay, great. So, what was your strategy? How much time did you prepare? Let's say you prepared every day for 4 hours or 3 hours because you were also doing a non-IT job parallel, right? So, how did you, what was your
Yeah,
strategy for preparing for the job and interviews?
eh, yeah. So the strategy I was following is whenever I got back from my work and I get some free time, I am going through the videos and study materials which are available to me. And I was writing test cases in free time and weekends, and by that I have prepared for the interview.
Great, great, wonderful. So that is really good to know that apart from your day-to-day routine job, you are actually taking time off for preparation, right? And what kind of resume should we prepare? Did you include the non-IT experience
Yes,
in
sir.
your
Yeah.
resume, or you have excluded it from your resume?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have included
Yes, sir. I
non-IT.
have included.
Okay, okay, sounds good. So so in these two rounds, two both of the rounds were technical rounds in the company in which you have got selected, or one was technical, one was managerial. Okay. So Suraj, my question was like, what kind of rounds were there? How many rounds were there? And before getting selected into this company, in which all companies did you apply? And what was the response in an interview? Did you get selected, or how was the interview experience?
Okay. There are two rounds actually. One is technical theoretical round, and another is practical round for writing test cases and preparing bug report. Yeah, and I have applied to many companies like 50 or 100 companies, and I was getting selected in technical rounds, but I am in most of the companies I was getting rejected because I was having non-IT background, and there was a year gap in my resume. And another thing is I was from sales background, so most of the companies were rejecting me for that reason. But I am fortunate that I got selected in this company.
Okay, great, great. So you were having a career gap, like between the education, you were having a gap, or you were having a career gap?
Career gap mean I mean non-IT. That thing is like career gap in between my education and employment.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. So,
Yeah.
thank you so much, Suraj, for coming on our channel and sharing your
Yeah.
success story with us. Right, I am
Yeah.
sure that this would be a very much inspirational and a motivational story for the people who are actually from non-IT background, or mechanical,
Yeah.
or any other background apart from CS, or computer science and, sorry, IT, and then
Yeah.
they are looking for jobs in software testing, right? So this would really help them a lot.
Yeah.
And from the questions also, from the
Yes,
interview
sir.
questions also, they will come to know what kind of preparation they have to do. And
Yeah.
yeah, your success story
Yeah.
is actually, proving that nothing is impossible in this world, right? So thank you so much, Suraj, once again.
Yes, sir.
And many, many congratulations to you for
Yeah.
getting selected in the company as a
Yeah.
software,
Thank you, sir.
right? Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yeah. 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 Thank you, sir.